Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical and software basics so you fix root causes quickly. First, unplug and replug or toggle Bluetooth to rule out transient connection errors. Once done, make sure your operating system layout matches the hardware layout because mismatches cause swapped characters. You should also physically inspect the keyboard under good light. Stuck keys or crumbs change input. If you find damage, stop and note model numbers for replacement or warranty steps. Otherwise, move to driver and settings fixes. Now focus on software, drivers, firmware, and language packs, because many errors come from corrupted drivers or wrong input methods. You update drivers via Device Manager or the vendor utility. If updates fail, uninstall then restart to let the OS reinstall the driver automatically. Once done, test the keyboard in safe mode or from a live USB to see if the problem persists. This isolates third-party software interference. Make sure language packs and input method editors are correct and remove extra keyboards you do not use. Finish by calibrating and remapping keys when hardware is functional but characters remain wrong. You can run an online keyboard tester to identify incorrect scan codes, then use a remapping tool to correct mislabeled keys. Do this only after ruling out layout and driver issues. Also adjust key repeat and sensitivity to avoid accidental repeats. If problems persist, plug in a different keyboard to confirm hardware failure, and use the error pattern you observed when contacting support or ordering replacements. One clear troubleshooting tip: test with another device first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.